The Auto Stereo Carplay Android 13 HeadUnit is a premium multimedia upgrade for Porsche Cayenne models from 2010 to 2017, offering a range of advanced features to enhance your driving experience. Running on the latest Android 13.0 operating system, the unit comes equipped with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM, providing smooth and efficient performance for multitasking between apps, GPS navigation, and media playback. With built-in Qualcomm 6.8 OS for LTE connectivity, you can stay connected on the road, ensuring fast and reliable internet access for streaming, navigation, and app updates. The HeadUnit also features a Tesla-style 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen with a sharp 1920*720 resolution, delivering bright and vivid visuals that enhance the clarity of maps, media, and menus. The IPS display ensures a full viewing angle, allowing all passengers to enjoy the content from any seat. The integration of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto makes it easy to connect your smartphone to the system without the need for cables. This allows you to access your favorite apps, music, messages, and navigation directly from the HeadUnit, streamlining your driving experience and ensuring that essential information is always within reach. Designed specifically for Porsche Cayenne models from 2010 to 2017, the HeadUnit ensures a perfect fit and seamless installation, maintaining the vehicle's original aesthetics while providing an upgraded, modern infotainment system. Whether you're using GPS navigation, enjoying music, or staying connected through 4G LTE, this HeadUnit delivers a comprehensive, user-friendly experience tailored for Porsche drivers. With its combination of advanced technology, sleek design, and effortless smartphone integration, the Auto Stereo Carplay Android 13 HeadUnit is the ideal choice for those looking to modernize their Porsche Cayenne's interior while enjoying cutting-edge features on the go.